Hey there, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the Xiaomi Mi Robot Vacuum Mop 2 Pro / Lite MJST1 SHW MJSTL Hepa Filter Mop Cloth Main Side Brush Mijia Vacuum Cleaner Accessories. Now, I know that's a mouthful, but trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this. If you've got a Xiaomi Mi Robot Vacuum Mop 2 Lite or Pro, then this accessory kit is an absolute must-have. It's perfect for repairing or replacing any damaged or old parts to renew the performance of your Xiaomi Mi Robot vacuum cleaner. In this kit, you'll get a pair of Hepa filters, which are recommended to be replaced every 3 to 6 months for effective filtration of dust and allergens. The unique design makes them easy to clean and durable in use. Not to mention, the practical side brushes are made of nylon, so they won't scratch your floors or furniture. The main brush, with its floating structure, ensures a deep clean for your home. Plus, it's recommended to be replaced every 6 to 12 months. Now, I know what you're thinking, do I really need all of this? And the answer is yes, you do. These accessories are essential for maintaining the performance and longevity of your Xiaomi vacuum. Trust me, you'll notice a world of difference once you start using these high-quality replacement parts. So, if you're ready to take your cleaning game to the next level, be sure to click the link in the description to get your hands on the Xiaomi Mi Robot Vacuum Mop 2 Pro / Lite MJST1 SHW MJSTL Hepa Filter Mop Cloth Main Side Brush Mijia Vacuum Cleaner Accessories. I promise you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content.